Hello and welcome back to Foxy TV, episode 153. Earlier in the week, I posted a new feature video called Just Get Started. If you haven't watched it yet, please check it out. It's only about 2.5 minutes long. Now, the segment I recorded with Jake for that video was over 10 minutes, so we have some extra footage and I'm going to show you some of that in this week's Foxy TV. Let's play some of that now, and over the top, I'm going to show you some video or some footage from an install we did earlier in the week where Bianca was lead stylist at an install in Cornubia.
Biggest challenge is always, what we've found has always been the people, whether it's finding the right people and doing it at the time that you need. You know, we've gone through stages where we found we grew so quickly that we didn't have the people in place to do what we wanted to do there, or at least not so much not having the people in place, but having them come in at a time that we didn't get them early enough to get the training happening, so that, you know, we hit a particularly busy period and we're still trying to train people. We've also not necessarily made the right decisions when we've had to let people go who weren't fitting in with our team culture, or had gotten to a point where maybe the business had grown beyond where they were the right person for the job anymore. And you know, you're a small business, it's difficult to make those sort of decisions, but in hindsight, both from our point of view and the person's point of view, it would have been a better decision to make that call earlier. We knew it was the right decision, we just ummed and ahed and thought we could do things to fix it, and that just hasn't worked out. So in terms of challenges, finding the right people, training the right people, and then making those hard decisions when they need to be made, that's probably been the biggest challenge.
So a bit of sad news here on Foxy TV this week. Eva has officially now left the team. She actually finished a couple of weeks ago, but due to floods and injuries and stuff, Eva's always getting injured. We were unable to have a proper farewell until this week. So we say goodbye to Eva, and from the entire team, thank you so much, Eva, for your hard work. Eva did a great job writing articles and posting a lot of great content here at Foxy, and of course bringing her enthusiasm and positive attitude to the workplace, and everyone in the team is definitely going to miss you, Eva. All right, to finish the episode, we're going to an install in Carina where I met up with Caitlin.
This one, we have a big 4-bedroom house in Carindale. It's got 2 livings, really big, nice yard, and we've gone for a contemporary style today. We've got brick wall features throughout the house, which I've kind of tried to tie in with like orangey tones in the artwork, and then just bring in blacks because they've got a nice black kitchen and have black accents throughout to tie everything together.
That is a wrap for episode 153, a relatively short episode as I spent a fair bit of time this week putting the Just Get Started video together. A reminder to please head over to wherever you're watching this video. It'll be on this channel as well, so Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. So please check that out and let us know what you think. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you here next week.
Can I add one to that? Yeah. Probably another challenge has, especially I'd say the first 3 years in particular, has been cash flow. For our business model, we have been getting our own inventory, buying our own furniture and stock, building our own full-time team, warehouse, trucks, logistics in-house, all those things. So everything costs money, and everything, growth costs money. So we've had periods in those first years where we just didn't have the cash to do everything we wanted to do, whether it was, we need more sofas for the next week, and we've run out and we have no real option other than to go and hire it, and then the hire company's low on stock, so what do we do? But at the same time, we need another stylist to get the training started, but do we have the funds to justify that? Marketing, we're trying to grow the business, but do we put the money into Google or Facebook or to some other means of marketing? So cash flow has always been a big one, and like I said, particularly in that first 3-year period.